Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best wire strippers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Craftsman wire stripping tool. Craftsman has long been a trusted name across the entire spectrum of tools, from table saws to handheld helpers like this wire stripper. The device not only strips wires across a wide range of gauge sizes, but serves as a quality wire cutter and crimper, too. The tool has specific ports for insulated and non-insulated terminals and comes with a textured, serrated nose for bending wires. Craftsman also equips the stripper with the classic comfy grip that runs standard across most tools in the company's product line. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gennard Tools WS5 Adjustable Wrench Stripper. For those looking for an adjustable option, the Gennard Tools Wrench Stripper is a great option. The wire stripper has an adjustable screw, which helps you precisely and securely lock it at the right gauge size. The tool also has scored marks on the side to line up for standard cable sizes. The device is made of high-carbon steel with a rust-resistant black oxide coating and has a vinyl cushioned handle for comfortable use. It's also incredibly affordable, at under $10 at the time of writing. At number 3, we have the Nipex Automatic Wire Stripper. For electricians or others who expect to be stripping a lot of wires, spending a few extra dollars on the Nipex Automatic Wire Stripper is a great investment. The device has a trigger-like mechanism for easier use in one hand and an ergonomic grip for comfortable leverage. The self-adjusting design allows you to use it across nearly any wire you need to strip without fear of damaging the interior. The only downside is the light, plastic feeling of the body exterior, which may come across as cheap considering the price. At number 2, we have the Capri Tools 2010 Precision Wire Stripper. This lightweight wire stripper from Capri Tools has a cast alloy chassis designed to balance durability and weight. The tension-loaded recoil spring means it automatically bounces back to the default position so you can zip through stripping tasks quickly. The precisely cut holes ensure you can strip wires without damage. What makes the Capri wire stripper unique is the ability to swap out the blade for a number of different sized options. Capri Tools offers several alloy steel blades built to strip wires across multiple gauge sizes that you swap onto your device. And finally at number 1, we have the Klein Tools K12035 Klein-Kurve wire cutters. This forged steel wire stripper delivers the quality and performance you expect from Klein Tools, along with versatile, handy capabilities, like screw and bolt shearing. It has a decent gauge range and can cut or bend up to 3 wires simultaneously. What sets the heavy-duty stripper apart from other options at Klein Tools is the forged alloy steel construction to ensure it lasts you for life. The cutting knife is also induction hardened for added durability and power.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.